Hello everyone. I hereby express a deep rooted sense of gratitude to all responsible for making the secret a part of my life. I have known the principle of the law of attraction for quite a while now, but have put it to use only a few times. This is an example of how it had made my affirmation a reality. I am in the 11th grade, and this is the year that the school management chose 5 students to form the student council. It is extremely competitive. There are only 5 vacancies and more than 180 students in our grade. Moreover, the selection process is anything but transparent. A few of us were summoned to the principal room and asked to give out speeches on a particular topic without any prior warning. After the speeches were done, the result would be announced the next day. I had no idea how I performed in comparison with the other candidates. I kept repeating to myself that I had to get the position of perfect because I deserve it. The universe will grant it to me. I am the most capable student in my entire grade, and so this will be given to me. A feeling inside of me told me that I did in fact deserve it, and that good news would be coming my way. There were a few obstacles on the way, but I kept repeating affirmation to myself. When the results were declared, my name was one among the top 5. I was elated and knew that I only had to ask the universe and it would be given to me. It doesn't matter if the odds are sketchingly against you or if there are people smarter or more intelligent than you, because ultimately the universe grants us as only those people who believe that they are deserving and capable of achieving that goal. I hope this story inspires you. Thank you. Always believe and ask the universe with confidence for all what you wanted. Thank you.